Hello everyone, Barry Anderson here from Trade Ideas with the trade of the day, and today, no doubt about it, Viacom, VIAC. So Viacom released earnings after hours yesterday. Yeah, February 15th after hours. So you can see an initial reaction. This is that mauve area right here. That's the reaction. That's after hours. Look at this though. This morning woke up to this even further down from that 34 level. And then it came in my 10-day daily breakdown scanner. I think it came in right around just underneath 30. And what a move it made. And this is still the pre-market, okay? So if you don't want to trade the pre-market, that tan area is still the pre-market. There's the opening candle, the 9:30 candle right there, opening 15-minute candle. And what a great short that was. Only had a little pop up here, but from almost the beginning, it moved all the way down from about $30 down to $28.44. And so I didn't take it right at the beginning because I don't like taking trades, in the first, I usually don't take trades in the first 15 minutes, but, I made an exception in this case because the earnings obviously was so bad. And it wasn't that I read the report, but, you can just tell. I mean, big gap down after hours, more of a gap down, and there was a lot of room. I looked left on the monthly and the daily and the weekly, still a lot of room until it would hit any sort of support. So I took this probably about 5 minutes and unfortunately, I took some out around here, was really hoping it would take out 28. It didn't, and I got rid of most of it here, had a pop up. I tried to re-short it in this area, but I couldn't get it where I wanted. Who knows? Maybe now it'll have a bit of a bounce, but I am going to be looking later on. If it takes out 28, again, I might re-short it. But anyway, just a great, fairly easy trade in that it went straight down without any giant green candles taking you out of the trade. So that was the trade of the day, and many in the trading room took that one. So I want to get back into the trading room. In the email you're getting, there is still time to sign up for the test drive. Test drive will run until February 28th, Monday, February 28th, including that day. So check the email you're getting, check the link. If you think it's worth $11.11 for the balance, you'll get 7 days, not 10. Go for it. We only do this 3 or 4 times a year. I'll open the room tomorrow at 8 o'clock Eastern Time, so have a great evening, everybody, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.